This principle suggests that while time travel might be possible, it would be restricted by the rule that you cannot do anything that would cause a paradox.
Hey everybody, today I'm showing you 5 cool magnetic fluid speakers and visualizers. That's the Solid, which is the largest one, and the Venom Sound one is the smaller one, which is a visualizer, not a speaker. And then the Veilfall has a horizontal view, which is a little bit different. This one is also pretty cool. It has a sort of an old arcade design. So let's see how they work. This is the Soul Beat. It has its own battery, so you can turn it on. You can always center it by pushing this button. And this adjusts the pattern. This is a portable speaker. It doesn't really have a whole lot of bells and whistles, just your magnetic fluid. These are the controls in the back. This doesn't even have battery, so you have to connect it to a power source. This is just a simple visualizer, but it's pretty cool. It reacts to your sound when you're talking. It reacts to your voice when you're talking. It also reacts to any music that you play around it. It has a microphone. So when you talk, you can see it actually comes to life. This is a little bit different from these others. This is actually a horizontal view, so it's a different style, you can tell. This is the Venom Seed. It is also a visualizer, not a speaker, but has an arcade design. So it looks like one of these old gaming devices, but you can open it from here. What's neat about this is that you can actually replace this if you want. You can find other solutions to put in there. You can just use it like that. You can control it with these buttons and that, up and down, left and right, to change intensity, to change sensitivity, and also the backlight. See how all these work. These 3 are speakers and those 2 are visualizers. So this is pretty basic. You have your microphone, you have your charging port. You just have to put it on your desk, and you can use your own speaker to interact with it. You can also use this magnet that was included with it. This is a tiny speaker. It doesn't have its own battery, but you can turn it on like that. And then you can change modes. So you just have to press these. It's marked as Veilfall. You just have to hold here. Now this is the largest one that I have. It's actually pretty heavy. You have your adapter there. You can connect your adapter there. This actually turns on. Last but not the least is the Seed. Reacts to your sound. I can also change the light. I can change sensitivity. That gives you feedback on that. I can interact with it like that. If you hold this, it will start automatically. This centers it. Just have to hold it like that. Use these to play a podcast.
Suppose you travel back in time with a science book from the future and leave it with a young scientist who then uses the information to make groundbreaking discoveries. Those discoveries are then published in the very book you originally took back in time. This because it was brought from the future?
This means that particles can exist in multiple states at the same time and can interact with each other in ways that cannot be predicted with certainty. Relativity is a theory that describes the behavior of very large objects, such as planets, stars, and galaxies.
Now I'm going to play the same one from this one.
The paradox. Proposed by physicist Igor Novikov, this principle suggests that while time travel might be possible, it would be restricted by the rule that you cannot do anything that would cause a paradox.